know it's been a while, but I'm about to do a makeup tutorial for you guys because I never showed you how I do my makeup, and I've had people request me, asking me to do a makeup tutorial. So today, that's what I'm here for. So I'm just gonna start off with a bare face. This is my face with no makeup on. I'm gonna use the Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. Put that all over my face. I feel like this just gives your skin a nice glow underneath the makeup. I just use that much. Try to spread it evenly all over my face. So we're gonna talk about, today we're gonna talk about my insecurities. Because I feel like people don't really talk about their own insecurities like that. People like to make it seem like they think they're perfect. And that's just not the case with me. I got some Fenty Beauty in the color 430. I think this might be too dark for me, but oh well, I bought it. Look at how dark that is. I bought it, oh well. So I'm gonna use it. I think this is enough. I don't put too much foundation on because I feel like it makes me look really cakey. So I just put it all over my face. I'll put a little bit more. Ooh. Some on my neck. And let's talk about my neck because that is one of my insecurities. I know that people get lines on their neck from looking down at their phone, but I've always had lines on my neck ever since I was a little girl. Hold on, had a little disturbance, excuse me. Okay, just blend that all in. But yeah, back to my neck. My neck is one of my biggest insecurities because I feel like I don't see a lot of people with lines on their neck like this drastic. And I don't know, I just feel like it's a unique part of me, but it's a part of me that I haven't completely accepted yet. But you gotta put makeup on your neck because your face has to blend in with your neck, of course. You see what I mean? It's a little too dark for me, but we're gonna fix that. What should I do next? I think I'm gonna do my eyebrows first because, boy, my eyebrows are looking crazy and I definitely need to get them done. But this whole coronavirus, the way it's set up, it want my eyebrows bushing. Okay. My barely eyebrows. My bare eyebrows. Barely there. Okay, so I'm going to outline the shape that I want. And I'm just looking in the mirror. Remember, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. So if your eyebrows look exactly alike, sis, you doing it wrong. You doing it wrong. But I'm not perfect at this. I just know I'm okay because I get compliments on it. So people usually like the way my eyebrows come out. I haven't done my makeup in so long because I don't be going nowhere. But I still remember how to do it for the most part. It's a little dark, but like I said, we gonna clean this up. It's gonna look good, okay? So make sure you don't use eyebrow pencils that are too dark for your skin tone because this is almost black. It's like a dark brown and my eyebrows are a little lighter than that. Okay, so how we're gonna do this? We're gonna take our Fenty Beauty in the color Suede. I don't got nothing left in this one, but we're gonna take it in the color Suede. We're gonna dip our brush into it. and outline our eyebrows. This is the face I make when I'm outlining my eyebrows. Okay, so here we go. Let's do the top of the eyebrow. Do the top. And then the other eyebrow. Now, let's go back to my neck, because I've had people make comments like, oh, your neck is chubby. Oh, when I was pregnant, oh, I can see you're gaining all the weight in your neck. Or, what's wrong with your neck? Like, why is it so chubby? People have made comments like that to me, and they had no problem making them at all. And it just made me feel self-conscious about it, and always made me feel like, damn, am I ugly because I have a fat neck? Like, you guys see it? Am I ugly because of that? I don't know. But I gotta learn to accept it. And it is what it is. We all have insecurities. Nobody's perfect. And if you think you're perfect, then you have a lot of internal issues going on that you probably don't feel comfortable talking about if you think you're perfect, because nobody's perfect. So I'm gonna complete this look by blending out my eyebrows. They're not coming out all that great, but it's okay. My daughter's in school right now, so I'm in the bathroom making a makeup tutorial while I got the time, because if she wasn't in school, she'd be all in the camera like, Mommy, Mommy, what are you doing? I want to do my makeup too. She's only 5 years old. She don't need no damn makeup. All right, next we're going to go into the concealer. I got Can't Stop, Won't Stop by NYX. And this color is in Mahogany. I'm gonna use 2 colors though, because this is a little dark. I'll get under my eyes, right here, my mustache, and then my neck again. And then I'm gonna take some of this same thing, Can't Stop, Won't Stop, but this is in the color Caramel. Put it right here, a little bit right here, a little bit on my chin. And then we're gonna blend that right on out. Got my beauty blender. Ooh, let me squeeze this, a little watery. Blend that on out. Now let's talk about my second insecurity. If you haven't noticed it yet, I'm trying not to smile too big because I just got a tooth extracted and it looks a mess right now. I don't really want to show it because it's a little graphic, a little blood, but I'm gonna show it anyway. I just brush that up to the sides. Get my neck blended out. But yes, I got a tooth extracted, and Here's the tooth. So I had a baby tooth. The story behind that is I had a baby tooth that I've had all my life, and for some reason it just would not come out. I'm 28 now, so to still have a baby tooth is kind of crazy. Like, why do you still have your baby teeth? But next I'm gonna take this Espresso by Fenty Beauty and contour my face. But yes, I've had this baby tooth for like most of my life, and it wouldn't come out. And a piece of it broke off a couple years ago, and I just had a piece just sitting in there for a couple years. And it's always made me so insecure because I like to smile, and I always felt like I can't smile on that side because people can see my teeth, and I didn't like that. So I decided to finally go to the dentist and get it extracted. That was yesterday. Now I'm actually about to start a new journey with Smile Direct Club. If you've ever heard of it, it's a company who sells invisible aligners, just like Invisalign, but it's much cheaper, and you know, you get the job done in a less amount of time. So I want to start that soon, but I have to wait till my extraction heals before I can take the impressions so that I can send it back and get my aligners. But yes, after I contour, now I move into the setting powder. So I'm going to use a little bit of this Sacha Buttercup setting powder. A little bit. A little bit. Just going to put it underneath my eye. Okay. A little bit on my forehead. A little bit right here. A little bit right here. And a little bit on my neck. I just blend the neck out. I don't let it sit because I don't want it to look too cakey, and it's not flattering. So now I'm just gonna let that sit for a while. All right, I let it sit for enough time. So now I'm just gonna dust it off with my brush. Now, sometimes I use, what do you call it? Highlighter. But other times I don't because I don't like the way it looks sometimes. It kind of looks a little fake and a little too shiny for my face. Probably not going to use it today. Depending on how my makeup comes out, we'll see. But I want to do my eyelashes off camera because it's a whole mission to do my eyebrows. It's a whole mission to do my eyelashes, and I don't want you guys to see me messing up over and over, so I'm gonna just do that off camera. But before I do my eyelashes, I want to do my eyeliner and put a little bit of blush on. Now this is, I don't even know what this is because it's all broken up, but it still works. It's all broken up and you can't read the back, so I have no idea what this is, but it's a little blush that I like to put on sometimes. If I like a little pinky color, I just add some to my cheekbones. I think I should contour my nose. What do you think? Yeah, I think I'm gonna contour my nose just so you guys can see how I do that. Okay, let's contour my nose. So I'm gonna take Espresso again and Fenty. We're gonna take a brush and go down the length of the nose. It's looking a little crazy right now, but it'll look okay. Watch. Now, I don't like to make my nose look too small because it's like, why are you doing that, sis? Like, your nose is your nose. I want it to look natural. Put a little oomph over the top. Make a little nice button nose. Close that up. Now I'm going to blend that out. Okay. I'm gonna actually add some more setting powder to make it neater. Add some setting powder to the bridge of my nose. Don't want to keep that on for too long, so I'm gonna brush that away. Yeah, I'm gonna add some highlighter. So let's add some highlighter to the nose. I'm gonna use this brush, even though I wouldn't recommend this brush, but I'm gonna use it for my nose. And I'm just using Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter that I got like 2 years ago, and it's still pretty much full except for this one. It's a lot of highlighter. You don't need that much. Oh, see? Look. I'm already messing up. Okay. Now, I guess I'll just put a little tiny bit on my cheekbones. A little tiny bit on my cheekbone. Because I don't want it to be too shiny, but I want to get that nice effect where, you know, your face is glistening. It looks like your face is glistening anyway. Okay, and I'm gonna do my eyelashes off camera, or off my eyelashes and my eyeliner off camera. Okay, I'm back. I got my eyelashes on. I got my eyeliner on too. And now I'm just gonna put some lip gloss on. This is also Fenty Beauty. The color Sweet Mouth. And just gonna add a little bit to my lips. Now, I'm not good at eyeshadow, so I just leave my eyes alone because I really have to practice on that. But this is pretty much the finished look. I just have to add some setting spray, and I'm going to be using the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. So let's spray that on our face. Cool. Let that dry. And here is the finished look. I took my hair out. I did a little twist out. And I'm all done. So if you guys have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section below. Make sure you comment. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe because I will be making more content. I just need more input on what I need to make content about because I'm new to this YouTube thing, but I really want to do it. I've wanted to do it for so long, and I don't know what's holding me back, but I don't know. I just need the support. If the support's not there, then I'm just not going to be there all the way, in all honesty, but I hope you guys like this video. I hope you share it, and I hope you took something from it. If nothing, you took nothing from it, then oh well. But I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.